Oh no, Ken, oh look at that! Holy
Yeah, you're not seeing from the back here. There's like fucking hundreds of them.
Microfishing, yeah. We're gonna go look for our friend Kevin. See what he doing, bros. Kevin! 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 I think we found him.
Hey, what's up, bro?
There he is. What is this, the beach? Ugh. So we're over here in the jungle, and I'm pretty sure there's some poisonous snakes out here. There's some poison ivy, some badass spiders out here, but I'm gonna try to focus on that. What happened, fish? Exploring with your boy.
Oh yeah?
Bring it over here.
It's braided line too. It's probably, the line's probably still good.
Nice find.
Looks like someone just was like, oh, this is all fucked up, and left it.
Yeah.
I use these things all the time. This little swim bait.
Nice.
It's the exact same color I use, I think. Oh, this might be better than the one I have.
They just left it here.
Yeah.
Crazy. Cool find. Cool find.
Yeah. This is where we were. I was saying a lot of time.
Yeah, this is not even a fishing vlog anymore. This is an adventure vlog. Can we do that?
Yeah, you want to go first and hold your poles? Or just go down like that again?
Sure, hurry up, dude. There's spiders here, bro. Snakes. Look at all that truck. Whoa. Oh,
Whoa! Long legs. Hell no.
get out of here.
Oh no. Ken, oh look at that! Holy shit!
From the back here, there's like fucking hundreds
Oh, no, I'm not going that way.
I'm not either. I'm going over the top, man.
Look at all this daddies, bro. Kevin just like jumped up in that.
Yeah.
You're gonna go over the top?
Yeah.
How?
Okay, find this.
Can't do that.
Kevin, do me a favor though. Also,
Yeah.
Brian, can you hold my cell phone? Or can Kevin hold my cell phone? Is there anything underneath this rim like I could be concerned of?
Let me get the pole off.
Nope.
It's so weird how they're
Nope.
bouncing like that.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
That's crazy.
What is this?
Little seeds.
Okay, good. It's not fucking
That's tripping me out, man. How they're all like that.
eggs. I'll do this.
Okay, hold on. Let me get this.
I don't think I'm strong enough to jump this, but I'll have to try.
Oh, you can do it.
Try to film me, but
I will.
I don't want anything falling, dude. Like,
Nah. Then here, give them to me. Come on now. Yeah, that looks loose too. There's those scary ass long legs that just get all over you. dog. My guy. My guy.
Alright.
Got it.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Capture the action.
Yeah. That's an adventure.
More. Oh, it wasn't written. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, my phone
Got it.
and my that's all I gave you, right?
Yes, sir. And the camera. Nice. Your arm was really sweaty, Brian.
Well, yeah.
Those long, I've never seen a natural
There's so many daddy long legs. That's a vlog now. It doesn't matter. We don't catch any fish tonight. Yeah, bring it over here, fish on!
Nice.
Oh, that is beautiful, dude.
Yeah.
Taking a side shot, bro.
Barely had him. Damn, he's strong.
Kick him, bro.
Oh, I thought you
Coming in hot over here. What is it? Hold on. Let's get a good shot, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, so that was a great little adventure from Daddy Longlegs to some little sunfish to findings, bro. Check it out, bro.
Bro. Hello, Daddy Long Legs, man. Scary.
Oh, don't hook me, bro.
There's no hook on it.
What'd you think, Kevin? How many did you catch today?
Like 10.
Like 10. Wow.
Mostly sunfish.
Sunfish boys. That's how we do it up in the secret fishing spot, bro. You can't have this fishing spot, bro.